Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Ovation Guitar. This will be a quick one. It's Pun, P-U-N, and 1 mil. They do perfect. So let's go into this perfect song with a perfect setup. Cape on first, that's the absolute best center for us, and we have 4 chords rolling here. So we're gonna start with C. C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next is D. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. We have E minor next. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the A minor 7. And that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So let's go into the string pattern. And if you have the first chord here, C, and by the way, this chord progression will roll in the same way through the entire song. So C will be the first chord. One string around goes like this. Okay? So you're gonna play 2 downs and a clap. And then you play 3 downs and a clap. And you finish off with 1 down. Okay, so 2 down, clap, 3 down, clap, 1 down, and that's 1 string around. So 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap down, 1, 2, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap down. Okay, so you're gonna play one of these per chord. So C1, D1, E minor 1, and A minor 7 1 like this. Yes, as I promised, very quick tutorial. Pun, 1 mil, perfect. Thank you for watching, and play tuned.